Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. In this video, I will show you exactly how to import Google Takeout data so you can safely access all your exported Google files and services. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Google Takeout. This is the platform where Google allows you to export your account data, and starting here is essential for accessing your archived files. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Signing in ensures that you can access your exported files and manage your Takeout data securely. Step 3. Deselect all the Google services that are pre-selected by default. This helps you avoid downloading unnecessary files and makes the import process more organized. Step 4. Select the specific Google services you want to export, like Gmail, Google Photos, Google Drive, and others. Choosing only what you need ensures your Takeout archive is tailored to your requirements. Step 5. Click on the Next Step button at the bottom of the page. This will take you to the customization options where you can control how your data is exported. Step 6. Customize your export settings by choosing the file type, file size, frequency, and destination. For example, you can select Send Download Link via email to easily receive your archive. Step 7. Click on the Create Export button to start the export process. This triggers Google to gather all your selected data and prepare it for download. Step 8. Monitor the export progress on the screen, which shows details like the date, time, number of services, and progress status. Keeping an eye on it helps you know when your files are ready. Step 9. Open your Gmail and refresh the page. You will receive an email from Google Takeout with the subject line related to your export, so you can download your files as soon as they are ready. Step 10. Open the email and click on the download links provided for each exported file. This gives you direct access to all your exported data in separate files. Step 11. Go back to the Google Takeout exporting page and verify that the export has completed. Click Show Exports if needed to make sure everything has been processed correctly. Step 12. Download the exported files manually to your computer. This is an important step to ensure that your archive is stored safely on your local device. Step 13. Open your file manager, navigate to the Downloads folder, and extract the downloaded Takeout folder. Extracting the files makes them accessible for import into other applications. Step 14. Open the extracted Takeout folder and check the files for the Google services you exported, such as Drive, Gmail, YouTube, and Google Meet. This lets you verify that all your important data has been successfully archived. Step 15. Your Google products are now archived and ready to be imported or accessed safely on your device. You can now use them as needed or transfer them to other platforms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Beast Pro for more helpful tech tutorials.